Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you all the latest updates in Clips. So Clips 3.0 updates have arrived and there's definitely a few new things that you need to know. Have a look at these little tricks that I've learned. First up, when you go to start a new Clips, you can now see a library on its own separate screen and it's much clearer. One of the first things you'll notice is that Clips is now available in landscape, and the pink record button is on the right hand side. If you'd like to change the aspect ratio, you have to click this little button in the top right corner. Here you can now see some different ratios that you can use with Clips. As usual with Clips, you can press the edit star to change how your Clips look. There is now lots of new text styles, stickers, and the latest emojis are also available. Scribble is now also incorporated into Clips, and you can use your Apple Pencil to write your words if you want to. You can also rub out the text by scribbling it out with your Apple Pencil. One other really cool new feature is that the emojis now have face detection. When you place the emoji on top of your face, it will follow it. The students will have lots of fun with experimenting with this cool new feature. Don't forget to check out these great educators on Twitter for more tips and tricks on using the iPad.